All right, guys, thanks for tuning into the form series. I'm so excited to be walking you through each individual move one-on-one. I find that with, our workouts and with HIIT routines and with strength routines, oftentimes we're moving really quickly, and it can be hard for people, I notice in class, to really get the movement down, to really grasp the form and to get the most out of it. So because I want you guys to get the most out of these exercises and out of the workouts that we do together, and I also want you to minimize your risk of injuring yourself while you're doing these, I thought I would walk us through the most common movements that we do step by step. So today I'm going to start us out with a bicep curl. One of the simplest exercises that you can probably do, but also one that I see performed not so great a lot of times in class, all right? So the bicep curl, why is this an important move for us to do from a functional perspective? Well, think about how many times during the day you do this movement, okay? I always think of it as like lifting heavy grocery bags. So what I want you guys to think about when you're doing a bicep curl is full range of motion. So by full range of motion, I mean you're gonna bring those hands from your thighs all the way up to your shoulders, which is about a fist distance away, and then all the way back down. Really important that we get that full range of motion. Also really important that on the eccentric contraction, when it's lowering, that we're going slowly, okay? The common thing that I see in classes is, people lifting those weights and then dropping them down, right? But not only can you injure yourself doing that, but you don't get the most out of the exercise. So it's really important that you go slowly, okay? So those things being said, let me just walk you through the movement without any weight so that you get a good sense of what this looks like. So first, you're gonna brace your core nice and tight, and you're gonna tuck your bum and your pelvis under. Your feet are gonna be about hip distance apart, okay? You're gonna roll your shoulders up, back, and down. Make sure that your shoulders are away from your ears, okay? You're gonna firmly plant those shoulders in your sockets, okay? And your palms are gonna be facing forward, all right? You're gonna slowly lift those weights all the way up to your shoulders, fist distance apart, and then you're gonna slowly lower those weights down, okay, to your thighs. Got it? Let's grab our weights. Let's give this a try. Here we go. So you're gonna have your feet hip distance apart. Brace your belly like someone's gonna punch you in the stomach. You're gonna roll your shoulders up, back, and down so you're standing nice and tall. Palms are facing forward. Knees are soft, okay? Now here we go. You're gonna lift those weights. Keep your elbows tucked in towards your sides, up towards your shoulders, and then you're gonna slowly lower those weights back down. So now it's important that we keep our elbows tucked in towards our sides here, guys, because that's gonna isolate the bicep muscle, okay? If they're too far out or they're kind of loosey-goosey, this is bad form, okay? This could lead to injury. So make sure you're tucking those in. Up to shoulders, full range of motion, nice and slow, back down all the way to your thighs. A couple of things to remember with the bicep curl that I really want to mention. Number one is to not swing, okay? So it's really easy for us as we start to get tired to start swinging our body around and kind of cheating on the bicep curl, right? So you want to really take your time, bring them up to your shoulders and slow it back down. What you don't want to be doing is this. Okay, do you see what I'm doing there? I'm using my whole body to kind of throw those weights up to my shoulders, right? That is not what we want to do, okay? It's gonna cheat you out of the benefits of the exercise, and also you risk injuring yourself, okay? So you wanna go nice and slow all the way up, you remember? And nice and slow all the way down, okay? And that's about it. So if you guys have any questions or thoughts for me about the bicep curl, anything else you want to know, maybe you need a modification for this because you got something going on, let me know. I'm always happy to come back to you guys with different exercises that you can do if you need a modification. And yeah, otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.